Aloha, talofa, and yaurana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanani, Lokelani, Fale Polynesia, Asuega, and I'm your favorite Polynesian dance teacher here on YouTube. Yes, we've changed it from dancer to teacher because today's video is for our 2024 recap. I want to share with you a few things that we did together here in the dance world, and we're going to start off with my online classes. For those that don't know, I run online classes all throughout the year. We dance twice a week per class at 8 weeks at a time. These dancers are really amazing and they always come committed to dance. It's really a special way of learning when you can learn something in an online platform and still be able to receive the information. And I do my best to try to reach as many of you and try to explain things online. That way, I can't physically be there to help you, but hopefully our lessons have changed your understanding of dance and elevated your understanding of dance. I for sure have been a better teacher. I've become a better and stronger and more knowledgeable teacher by just being an online teacher as well as an in-person teacher. So for that, I'm super grateful. But anyway, enough of me. Let's go ahead and let our online students show you what they got. Oh, my online students, I am so proud of you guys. Honestly, it's not an easy way to learn, and for those that take the time to embrace the Tahitian culture and Ori Tahiti itself through an online platform is such an amazing thing and something I never even knew would be as big as it is. But because of you, I get to, live my dreams teaching and sharing what I love about Ori Tahiti, and I'm so grateful to have you as my students. Thank you for your patience. I love you so much. And for those that were not in this video, I know who you are, you know who you are, and we are a big online Ori Tahiti family, and for that I am forever ever grateful. This takes us to the next part of our video. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about Fale Polynesia. Fale Polynesia is the House of Polynesia, and it was started by myself and my life partner, the love of my life, Ofaloto Kuma. And we first opened our studio in May in Fresno. In August, we opened our location in Orange County. So we have 2 in-person locations for Fale Polynesia, all with under 5 months. I'm so proud of what we've been able to build in just this short time. I don't know how we did it. I honestly, it feels like a blink of an eye, but I'm excited to share with you a little bit about this year. I'm going to showcase some of our dancers. So some of the first dancers, you're going to see Tiana. Tiana was one of our instructors at Orange County location. And then you'll see a few of our dancers from our Fresno location who were our first batch of dancers in Fresno and, took the leap to trust us as their school. And I'm so excited to share their dance with you. They worked super hard for it. And they've even grown from the videos that you're about to see, which is just a teacher's dream, and I'm so excited. We also had the blessing to go to the PIFA Festival, or the largest Pacific Islander festival in California. We took both our locations, or both our Fresno and Orange County location, put all of the dancers together, practiced one time before we got on stage. and that was it. We had one weekend where we actually got to bring both studios together to see if it worked out some of the kinks. Our Fresno students traveled all the way to Orange County and made that commitment. It was really a dream come true. I could never imagine, you know, people taking time out of their day to embrace our show and us as a new school, and because of that, we feel so hopeful for the next year. So I'm so grateful for all of you and everybody at Fale Polynesia, everybody online, and I hope you enjoy a little bit of a recap of our 2024.
And I'm a dancer for Lokelani's Ring of the Islands under the direction of Auntie Kathy and Uncle Ray Asuega, and La'i Hereuda under the direction of Kanani Asuega and Ofakuma. The song we chose for my aparima is Panaona O by Ora Tehuda. The song portrays the rough decision that an Adioi Wahine has to make when choosing between bearing a child and her own Adioi life. I hope you enjoy. Marudu!
Pana una oari ei, I te ie nei, pana ona o me tua. Ua toho I, te ie o puato, nai te ora. E au, orari ai, I here ana e au. E mo e ahia, e ora ana e au. E ora I ti te ie, e ora no u. Ia mai tinoa, te tahi e haa,
And that's about it. Thank you so much for being here for the 2024 recap. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope to see you in class in 2025. Don't forget, visit kananilokelani.com if you want to be online, or falepolynesia.com if you're located near Fresno or Costa Mesa, California. So I love you all so much. Thank you for everything and all the support. Thank you to my family, the families of our dancers that support them. We couldn't be able to do any of this without you. It takes a whole village, and I love it. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the new year.